make sure y'all don't subscribe.
Huh?
What?
Local lawmakers are looking to crack down on reckless driving in Memphis. Some are proposing that repeat offenders' vehicles get confiscated and crushed.
And my boy, that's burn on went to that purple and black. No, this not a regular rap. I'm turn up the channel, no burn, no key vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the ice, hold her straight to the 1 to 100K, so by the share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know burn no judge out the vid, we gon' burn from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Burno done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro, my bro driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Burno the littest, YouTuber living.
What's going on YouTube, man? That's Burno, and I'm back with another video, man. Hey, man, say, man, I'm in Mexico. I'm in Mexico with it, you feel me? About to get active. So while you're here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think. These folks out here active as hell. So my mind is all over the place right now, so I'm gonna turn it back on once we get some action. What does it look like? I hope that got sticks out. Okay. Hellcats and them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming. Hellcats and them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me. I came in, I'm doing the most. Doing donuts and bring up the house. Call a brother, we bring up the house. Finna give me some money, my life. With the whip in the hood in the building. Oh shit!
this word, big trap hawk with the carpet skirt. Flicking 2 fingers like it's upper skirt. Burning out on your Herbert skirt. Artisans, got that Hellcats in them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming. Artisans, got that Hellcats in them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming. Yeah. Got that Hellcats in them demons. Shawty thought that he was gonna catch me, must be dreaming, yeah. Artisans,
Hey, Dad, go. Hey, What? Wow.
I'm just saying, y'all know to go subscribe.
Okay, bet. On my phone, y'all see.
shouty, you gon' get this work. Big track hawk with the carbon skirts. You get 2 fingers like it's upper skirt. Burning out all your hair with skirt. RT
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New mocha's 500, he drippin' expensive. I know how I get it, them trenches.